anytime they just come in with price, default for all of us. Perfect. Don't say it's complicated. Don't say I can't give you the price. And don't start giving them prices because it's malpractice. Just say, perfect, I can help you with that. Which model were you looking to purchase? Right? And they're all going to say, I don't know. I'll be honest, we got 13 different floor plans here, and conservatively 10 major ways to configure them, really an infinite when you look at fit, finish, tile, all that. But so essentially there's 130 ways we can slice or dice this. If I could ask you a couple questions about what's going on in your world, your biggest reason for moving, I'd kind of figure out exactly what you're looking for and then give you an exact price on the models that we have that meet your needs. And then you're going to put this little bad boy at the end. Fair enough? And they go, oh, okay, because it's reasonable, right? Same thing with Lloyd, same thing with my moving people. What's your biggest reason for needing to move this stuff or relocate or whatever it is?
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.